Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face and roll that intro. Last week or whatever, was it the last shave video? Had a little editing snafu and forgot to add the intro. Today's shave soap is going to be HC&C, and this is the original base, and I'm going to be using the Southern Comfort scent oil. And I need to go to the website and see if Pete has a muscle milk, or not muscle milk, I think it's tiger milk, the aftershave, but I made this scented aftershave splash with that scent oil, and it works nicely. But I believe this is one of my favorite scents from Pete over there at HC&C. Today's razor is going to be the PAA. What? My mind today is just... Whew. Anyway, it's that razor. What is the name of that thing? I just pulled it out of the package. It's not the Quantum. It's the one in the Artifact in the blue, the little blue travel case. I have that loaded up with a Gillette silver blue blade, and I have the lather made up here already, and I'm using this beautiful black Trotter's Handcraft brush. Whew. I have it warmed up, and oh, this feels so nice. But anyway, I would like to pick up the soap and a matching splash if it's available. I'm going to have to go to the website and check it out. It's one of those things as a content creator, when you've got a plethora of shave items and you start thinking, what do I want to shave with? And you just have this wide number. It's hard to narrow things down. And that's one reason why I've been trying to thin the den and just keep my favorites and just kind of roll with it. And that's what I'm planning on doing. It's just a very slow and tedious process. You know, I have my phone in airplane mode right now because I get phone calls and things like that. And I just saw YouTube was notifying me that someone made a comment or replied to a comment of mine. And I don't understand that because I have it in airplane mode, so it's not supposed to be using cellular data. But I guess if it's still connected to Wi-Fi, maybe that's what it's doing. So I need to go in there and shut all of it off because I don't really want the shave videos to get interrupted. Because I don't always monitor the little red light saying that it's recording. And so as you're... I think I saw something there, a little orb. Anyway, I don't always monitor that light, and sometimes I just get into the shave, and it's a real shame when you go through and create a whole shave and you enjoyed it, and then you find out something happened and shut the recording off. And so I tried my best for that to not happen. And I was thinking that I ran this soap a little thin, but I just remembered that this has those little troughs up in here on the base plate that helps, you know, keep the lather nice and wet. And so that's what I keep seeing, some little bloops coming here and there. And I was thinking, I know I don't have that lather that wet. So that's what you get with the Oh, Tobin replied to my message. Thanks, brother. I need to get and do another live shave with him. I haven't done that in a while, but I don't know if I can do that anymore. I got rid of my Instagram account. I was having some issues and things, and it's just one of those things. I'm just here to create videos for fun, and I don't really like getting into all the drama and stuff, and sometimes it gets into that, and that takes the fun out of it for me. So I just not gonna do that. So I just kindly removed myself from Instagram and went about my business. So if you guys have been on there and you haven't seen me and you wondered what's up, that's what's up. It's just, I don't know. I'm an adult. Everyone else is adult, and I don't really want to get into game playing, or I'll just go play some games somewhere else, like a video game or a board game. I don't know if anybody even plays board games anymore. The razor was performing great with the Gillette silver blue blade. I do have to just double check the alignment on this particular razor, which is not really a big deal as long as you remember to do it. Or you'll have one side that's a little bit more with the blade exposure, and one side with less blade exposure. So you'll flip it and you'll be like, wow, this feels a little different. And that is why. Did I mention this feels like a messy shave? A messy shave to me? I got stuff everywhere. All right, well, let me get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. While I was rinsing my face off, I don't think I even talked about the scent profile, because I was just rambling away. And so, anyway, the scent profile on this is a boozy, kind of sweet tobacco scent. And so, if that speaks out to you and your nose enjoys it, I would say this is a scent for you. Speaking of scent for you, I forgot my aftershave gel. I put a little too much on. But anyway, that is the shave for the day. I'll put a little picture right here for your viewing pleasure, and I will see you on the next shave video. You guys have a great rest of your weekend.